What's the difference between high achievers who crush the corporate ladder and those who just don't make it? Better tech skills? A higher IQ? Are they more attractive? Not even close. I'm Chris Marrington from thelearningworker.com. In our illustrated video tutorial, I'll tell you why your most important advantage is a higher level of emotional intelligence, known as EQ. Plenty of research shows that when you compare two people with similar ability, the one with the highest EQ crushes the ladder quicker. What's your EQ? Dare to take our free tests and find out. If you get good marks, our tutorial will help you to polish them up. If you don't do so well, we'll explain how to double or even triple your score. Because EQ is a skill, the more you use it, the better you get. Start by hitting the button below and let's see if you've got what it takes to crush the corporate ladder.